Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today I'm diving into a word that could pop up on your test and might just make you sound like a vocabulary wizard. That word is... Now let's break it down. Anarchy comes from the Greek words and meaning without, and archos meaning leader or ruler, so quite literally it means without a ruler. Think of it like this. If a place is in a state of anarchy, there's no government, no laws, just chaos and disorder. It's like a massive, uncontrolled party where the host has gone missing. But why should you care about this word? First off, the GRE loves to throw in words that test your understanding of both vocabulary and context. Knowing words like isn't just about memorizing definitions, it's about understanding how to use them effectively. Let's see in action. Imagine you're reading a passage on the GRE. The sentence could say something like, following the collapse of the government, the country descended into anarchy. Here tells you that because the government fell apart, there was no order or control. Or, how about in a more metaphorical sense? The classroom was in a state of anarchy when the teacher left for just 5 minutes. This doesn't mean the kids declared independence and started their own country, it just means things got wild and disorderly. Knowing how to use can also spice up your essays and responses. Instead of saying there was chaos, you could say the situation devolved into anarchy. Boom! Instant vocabulary upgrade. Why is this important for the GRE? Because the test isn't just assessing your ability to memorize words, it's looking at how you comprehend and utilize complex language. It's about showing that you're not just a test taker but a critical thinker. And remember, the GRE is a stepping stone to your dreams, whether it's grad school, a better career, or just proving to yourself that you can conquer this challenge. Mastering vocabulary can give you the edge you need to succeed. So here's my challenge to you. Find a way to use in a conversation or in your writing this week. Practice makes perfect, and the more comfortable you are with these words, the more confident you'll feel on test day. Alright, that's it for today's vocabulary boost. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more GRE tips and tricks. You've got this. Catch you in the next video.